Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to open an account with Barclays. First, open the official website of Barclays on your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the section labeled Accounts and click on it. This will take you to a page showing different types of bank accounts offered by Barclays. From the list, select the option for a Barclays bank account. After that, click on the button that says Apply for a bank account. The website will then show some basic requirements. To apply using the app, you need to be aged 18 or over, have a UK mobile number, and provide proof of identity such as a passport or driving license. If you prefer to apply online instead of using the mobile app, click on the option that says Need another way. Then select Apply online to continue. Next, you will be asked a few questions. First, select whether you are currently resident in the UK by choosing Yes or No. Then confirm if you are 18 or over. After that, answer whether you are a full-time student. Finally, indicate if you are an existing Barclays customer. Once you have answered all questions, click Continue. You will then be asked to read the guidelines and policies. Take your time to go through the rules and regulations carefully. After reading, check the box to agree and continue. Now enter your personal details such as your name, title, gender, marital status, and living situation. Then select your nationality, country of residence, and country of birth. Enter your postal code and full address, followed by your email address and mobile number. Follow the remaining steps. You may be asked to upload identification documents. After submission, Barclays will review your application and approve it if everything is correct. Thanks for watching.